Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Kevin. So this week, well, we were supposed to have sausage last night for supper. We didn't exactly get to it. So I had to put it in the fridge, and Kelly looked up the recipe. So what are we doing? We're doing Italian sausage soup with cheese tortellini. So I got some Johnsonville mild Italian sausage. Got my cheese tortellini. I got some carrots, onions, chicken broth, and some northern white peas. So basically what we're going to do is I'm going to take the casings off of the sausages and throw them in the pot, cook them up, and basically slowly add everything. So that's it, unless you want to sit here and watch me decase sausages. Probably don't think. We'll bring you back when I start cooking. Okay, I'm just kind of mulching up the sausage, getting it cooking. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to add in the carrots and onions and some Italian seasoning.
Catherine loves her musher thingy.
Yeah. I think it works really good with sausage and stuff. I just buy with hamburger sticks to it. So
Yeah, it all does, but it still works good. Brody, you want a photobomb? Hey, say hello to everybody. Say my kitchen smells good. Does it smell good? Yeah. Daddy cook it? Daddy cook it? We have another video that will be coming up too. We got tagged for fall tag it's called. All different questions about Thanksgiving and Halloween and that stuff. Oh, what are you talking about?
good thing I reread this.
Yeah.
Yeah. My canned tomatoes.
Oh, yes. Somebody forgot the tomatoes.
Yeah, Kelly.
It wasn't me.
Yeah,
I didn't get your ingredients.
You had everything. You told me, everything's already set out for you.
No, I didn't. I said the onions and carrots
I
are
was
cut
this
up.
good little wife who was getting everything ready for you.
Yeah. No, I said I cut the onions and the carrots for you.
No, that's not what you said last night.
Yeah.
We just need the one can, yes?
I don't know. What did it say?
Well, it didn't say really anything.
Yeah, it does.
Well, sort of does.
I wrote measurements out.
Yeah, sorta. Says 2 cups.
Okay, so how big's the can?
And I don't know.
Well, there you go. Man, he needs to read.
389 mils, close enough. I know 2 cups is 500 mils, but I'm not going to open another can of tomatoes.
All right, that's fine.
Okay, so that's been going for a couple minutes. Now we're going to add
What you adding?
And the onions and the carrots and the Italian seasoning as well.
It's starting to smell good. There was a measurement, but we don't measure.
For seasoning?
Yeah.
Was there? What was it?
I don't remember, but it says there. See, when I write the recipes out, I write details for him.
1 teaspoon.
Well, 1 teaspoon wouldn't be enough anyway.
Close enough.
This recipe actually called for kale, but I didn't think that you really would like kale,
No.
so I left it.
Like that.
Looking pretty good. So, Brody, were you upset today when Daddy didn't come home for lunch? You sat at the door crying, didn't ya? What's Daddy doing? Daddy open the beans? Yummy. See, I do write all the details. See? And then how many cups of broth? 3 cups.
3 cups.
Yummy. And you have to drain the beans, right? Drain and rinse them. That's what it says.
I know what it said. Alright, so. Alright, do that, salt in it. Oh, add tomatoes, stock. Bring to a boil, then reduce.
Yum. Look at that. That looks yummy. You got the pot ready for boiling the
Pot ready for the
pasta.
pasta. Yeah.
All right, we'll bring you back in just a couple minutes.
Okay. So if we get Kelly to bring the camera in here, show you how it looks. And it smells delicious. Yeah. So now that's with the beans added. It's kind of stirring a little bit, waiting for our water to boil over here. We put some cheese tortellini in there. Once we're done, we're going to drain it. Cheese tortellini in the bowls and put the soup over top of it and garnish it with Parmesan.
All right.
Right? Okay. Cheese tortellini is done. We're just putting it in the bowl. freshly shredded Parmesan. That my wife had me looking for last night, and we had some in the fridge.
Oh, well, got more.
Okay, that's it. We'll see you back at the table. Okay, that's it. The grand old taste test. It smells good. Sure hope it tastes good. Gotta get a little bit of everything on the spoon. I can cool it down a little bit. It is hot.
Bless you, Brody.
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm.
Yep, yummy.
Okay.
So that's it. That is our Italian sausage and cheese tortellini soup. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.